What's your name?
Sasha.
What's your name? Can you tell mommy what's your name?
Name.
What's your name? How old are you? How old are you?
2.
Good job. And what's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you like reading books?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is this book?
Book. Just.
What is it?
Charlie, Dad.
And holding it backwards. It goes like this. What are those? Dinosaurs? You want me to read you that book? Kayla, you want mommy to read you that book? Kayla!
Hello. A book.
A book. Do you want me to read you the book?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. What's your name?
Hello.
And how old are you?
2.
Okay, alright.